Top of the morning. So today is Sunday, the 15th of March. After I don't know how long, I decided to actually get back to cycling. The cycling club has been cycling for a while and I've just not been consistent. So I decided to let me start at my own pace and literally just pace myself to get back into the system, to get back to my fitness levels and just get back to cycling in totality. So I'm going to start very small. I don't know how many kilometers I'm going to attempt today, but I just figured let me just get started and get into the swing of things. Hello fellow trailblazers, welcome to Escapes with TKay. What is the ball? There's a couple of things that I do need to get and buy just to enhance the experience. For example, I need a new helmet, I need sunglasses because the sun does get a bit rough, and a couple of other things. The bike is also due for service, which is another thing that I need to prioritize. And what I discovered yesterday when I was going to buy a pump as a backup, I discovered that to wash my bike is more expensive than to wash the car. How insane is that? To wash the car is 60 bucks and to wash the bike is 80 bucks. Guys, I don't even know if you can hear me, but I am unfit AF. I need to get back to my fitness level because what is this? What is this? This is terrible. But the journey has begun. I've committed to the process and I'm gonna see through. Yeah. My God, so I bumped into a couple of cyclists, Takadimani, and I'm on his road bike. I am convinced that mountain biking is not for me, guys. I'm convinced that I should have a road bike because this thing moves. It moves. I need to get me one of these, and that means I need to save for it because they don't come cheap. They don't come cheap. So I'm just waiting for them, because I left them a bit behind. But man.
What you doing cycling? You okay, mate? So you're just cycling for fun? 7 o'clock in the morning.